Alright, this is part 6 of this survival rifle build. It's been promising to do this for a few years now, and I've never really gotten back to finish it up. And I'm not really a videographer, so I'm just shooting this from my camera. So apologize for the video flopping around. So anyhow, here it is finished. I did it in 9mm. I really like the thought of it being a survival rifle. I did kind of a minimalist setup with it. I have a Magpul flip-up sights. I have I don't remember how many round magazine it is, but it's nothing. It's nothing with a lot of rounds. I've got a Battle Link stock on the back end. I did get the TNW shroud for the barrel, and I got I think that might be a Magpul foregrip. I've shot this a few times. I still haven't really sighted it in. The first couple times I shot it, I had a stovepipe on the ejector. Basically what I did was made some adjustments to the pieces that hold this on. I just had to adjust. I think I turned the threads out a couple turns and put some blue Loctite on, and I haven't had any trouble with it after that. Not that I've fired a lot of rounds through it, but I fired a few. Just need to still need to sight it in. Here's a picture of the print that I marked up and used when I was machining this. I have a CNC, so I did some of the pieces in CAD, and then I just did very basic machining. Really wasn't too hard, but there were some things I had to think about when I was doing it, so I wouldn't cause problems. And I did have an issue with the ejection port when I you can see I didn't have my one of my offsets set right, and when I went to machine and chamfer this ejection port, you can see I crashed into the unit a little bit. I just cleaned it up with some with a file. It doesn't actually look that bad unless you look really close at it, but anyhow, that was a mistake. So I'll show you the print again, and it's been so long since I've worked on this that I can't remember what all the coordinates were. I think I might have put some of that information in previous videos. As far as painting this, honestly, I used a can of satin spray paint, and it seems to be fine. I haven't had any issues with it. Not that I've been in the field with this too often. I'll go ahead and flip this over. There's not much to see on the other side, but you can see it. One of the requirements when making this was that you needed to put your maker's mark on here, so I just put CI3D and I put the date of manufacture, which was 11/24/2017. So when I read the requirements of building this kit, that was something that was required, so that's what I did. I guess they don't sell these kits anymore. I went out and looked, and you have to actually buy it fully machined. The only trouble I did have a heck of a time with was cutting the threads in here for the barrel, and because this is cast and the bore wasn't where it needed to be, and I ended up boring it out, and then I had some issues tapping it with the die that they provide, and I ended up actually thread milling it, which is probably not something somebody with a manual machine can do. But end of the day, this was a pretty fun kit, and I'm pretty happy to have added it to my collection. Thank you, and if you have any questions, drop them in the chat. Drop me a note, and I'll try to look at those and get back to you folks. Thanks. Have a great day.